Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the Late Night Show. You understand me now? And you know, cheers to a freaking weekend, you know, and a very, very beautiful and a believable weekend and every. Easy bit.
Talk to me.
You know, you cannot come and do this
No,
one.
No, of course. I don't need that.
No, you need to turn up on top of your own this thing. Before you go to look like how they play James Bond.
Right.
You have to be in the mood of a teens. You understand me now?
I know, see. So I not still that song now.
Don't enter that level.
You already want to know.
I say, from there, you see, I don't come out suit. You know,
I didn't tell you.
Because they get Afro beats.
You don't change the light.
Don't change the light. Your dreams more, you know, just enter
nice
that level.
one.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you're welcome to the Late Night Show. Yes. And I am your boy, Ogbolo. And of course, on the wheels of steel, my guy, my G, DJ Easy Beat. Yos. Today, you know, we don't do everything as usual, you know, to bring you entertainment and infotainment. And that be information and entertainment. So all joining the whole thing. You understand? And you know, you go our cocoa of the day. This cocoa of the day I get today. He's laughing my heart.
I see the laughing.
He's laughing my heart because he think they chalk prize me. But at the same time, nothing they happen. We get two correct guys in the building. We get Xeno in the building, and of course Victor. They will talk on the show. Yes. And also, we still get this correct group in the house who always do some kind of skits for us to just make laugh and everything. They laugh there with us in the building today, of course. So together, all of us will run the whole package to make sure everybody did very, very entertained before they sleep this night. All right, so not go anywhere. Now still the Late Night Show. Twitter @W Late Night Show. Go there, follow us, give us gist, and then we go there to make sure all of us did together on top of the whole level. All right, so we they come back to make sure the show starts. So no go anywhere. Why you stop this thing?
I see you.
What you know?
The way you think is
you for not stop this thing, is it bit? Because I don't enter into the mood and the whole thing. I want dance just now.
She want to use me like a hold on. She grab my mic and sing her own song like Fasolati, do re mi.
Okay, that's because if you pass like this now.
No, we don't verse.
People wait for us like this. Mona, do maybe just do this. But they feel my drink.
I feel. Toast to that.
They say this at Italians them. They feel just smell wine, not the year. Some people get that, you know. They're like Spanish people. And they're like, ay. Perfecto. You know, 1971.
So,
some God like this.
The older, the better.
1842 BC.
Like, how Nigerians they do?
Nigerians. Niger, we don't get time.
I tell you.
So go to like to the gods. What did they worry?
Nothing go ground though.
Nothing go ground though. Yeah. Okay, now the cocoa of the day.
Make a tell them the cocoa.
Don't bring that.
Make a tell them the cocoa.
Troy.
Make a tell them the cocoa.
When you see family life, they just use the magic.
Cocoa of the day, that's all.
Straight up.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
That one they did. Now do. Okay, I'm happy to say that they catch people with the crossroad anyhow for this country.
Crossroad anyhow.
Nigerians, we are lawless. For this country, we like lawlessness. It be like our second name. We know like to the day lawful.
No, just they break the rules.
Yeah. If you say make line there, one person they just pass the other side. Naturally, if people did line for toll gate to pass toll gate. Some people they go see break the line pass the other side. If they pull bridge, maybe people they cross. Some people they won't use their leg cross the express. We just like lawlessness. Lawlessness for this country.
Now away.
Now this particular, you know, I dey happy. We got one picture of one guy with they punish for crossing road.
Jay.
They just punish and say, you kneel down there, hold your ear. They do frog jump. Now they do frog jump. See the picture. For crossing the road, do frog jump. Instead, make they use pedestrian bridge they keep for there. My guy say no in one cross road. They won't give a small distance. You feel say this punishment reach for this particular thing.
But similar to the past, so everybody the pass, everywhere busy.
Imagine say you call the pastor say na your uncle.
You go
No, but for this one, now lesson to everybody though. You get most of us need to be very, very careful about these particular things because people don't die for the process.
No, plenty people don't die.
I don't see pregnant woman before we leave pedestrian bridge, they cross express with pikin for hand join. She pregnant too, she hold one for hand. They cross express. In one form running and they climbing fence, running again. Now two sides of the express.
That's demarcation with the road.
So she wants to cross them with the belly and the pikin for hand. Now full crowd for opposite side of the bus stop. Now he shout for the woman ahead. Madam, go back. Madam, go back. Don't cross that road. Go back. Go past up. Why you know just great climb up? Some people say it's too far. Some people say step too. I don't know. You don't go rather climb step than to lose your life.
Yeah, that one join.
And they say we form smart for this country, so I go cross them.
I would observe.
People that way they think, you know, be saying things they think. You know understand? And anything feel happen as you cross road. As you they run, your leg feel your knock itself. You just land for ground.
You just stay there.
Before you go, say make you stand up. DP, dying things. So, he will not be your portion.
Amen.
He will not be your portion.
Amen.
But maybe yourself when they watch self, do the right thing. That guy, they're supposed to flog him. As far as I'm concerned, maybe they flog him. You get before they charge you now.
Yeah.
They wait for the other side.
They'll go wait for
the other side. They don't even make cross. They look at. They are for their mind. Make it cross. Our officers for this country, they're bad. Then they correct you.
No.
Then they correct you. They make it cross. As you cross, bam.
But even men don't code this day. Once you guys they will take off.
Now someday before you take off, as you start make you just run. Now you go jam another one. Then they angle themselves now. One go there, that side, one go there. I just say make you just run. Bah, you go jam one. Where you they run, they go. Stay here. From there, they carry and they are caught. This side one boss. One boss waiting for corner. Now then they do cut. They get
they will judge you.
They'll sentence you.
That's
You must pay 15,000. Oh God, you call the price. Okay. But this one they say frog jump. What is the frog jump? You never even. But make Nigerians be more careful and a bit more lawful. Thank you very much. Now this one at Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the coco.
Okay, twerking gone wrong. Easy bitch, have you twerk?
Wait, because I'm mad, because I twerk.
Some men, see, you never see men when they twerk? Someday, when they teach women how to twerk.
How to twerk. And it happened.
They get that kind of physique, that twerking spirit, you know, naturally. And some people, they naturally, they work out, they twerk.
Ladies or guys?
Ladies.
Like, some babes, they get it twerk, they work out.
Naturally. You understand? Twerkists.
You guys say, what you look? You say, no, I don't see anything.
God bless you. Different things. You know, but this one is that twerking gone wrong.
What's it called?
She just do her twerking things. 90s change for her. We get this thing that they will see everything. Things just change. See the particular lady, as she just do the whole thing. Now her hand go come out for the twerking. She break neck. She break neck. As she somersault, make she just go do her whole thing.
I think give her
they upside down. Say make she just go do her whole. She see am now.
Hey,
in the hospital like this. She said this one they call her next time. Come and twerk. Now who you want
you go there run.
You go here twerking, take off.
Maybe doctor will come, doctor will say, sorry, what happened to this one? Because she fell at the result of twerking.
Imagine. Or imagine say this one called, God forbid though, one person die in the process. You see in neck now. One person can't look down in the prayer. You can't reach heaven. They can't say, why are you here? I was twerking. You know your sound way for ear. But her own, they don't put everything for her neck. And they imagine what they go on for her head now. Who say make I twerk? I forgot they do breakdowns there.
You say, I don't get them right.
I don't get them right.
See her face.
My left hand, I ain't go weak. So I turn upside down.
I
now.
got myself.
Maybe she go drink.
I mean, maybe she be even practice self. Go and get one party which she won't die.
See, she won't go there, go wound
Don't
them.
die
So today,
there.
if I twerk for them, they will
will
know.
know.
Say twerk is the Davis head. Okay, but make everybody dey a bit more careful. Basically, as we always talk for this show, they very, very careful. Okay, before you go do your own twerking gone wrong, you understand? No go try am. If you know you don't get the stamina to try it, don't do it, please. And this as with the talk now, late night show. Some people they house and they watch this video now, they twerk. Please twerk responsibly. Please, okay? If you know sabi twerk the twerk, just shake your hand. Shake this one, and somehow it can work for you. All right? So, then at the cocoa for the day, for your go match break, we they come back with Zeno and Victor in the building, and we'll continue the whole show. Now, still the late night show. You get any comments? Go for Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us a comment, and then from there we'll carry everything go to the next level. All right? So, they come back. Okay, I just had to make face, you understand? To make my face on the face. You get that video we will get just now before that breaking and everything, you know. The Bunch and Orishefemi, or Orishefemi featuring The Bunch. You tell me one thing for this industry, you have to be relevant.
And true.
And true to yourself. Relevance, it go keep you. Now be the only way if you just stay true to yourself. Because for this industry, you feel blow today, your music feel blow. Tomorrow, you feel come crashing down. Nobody go send you again. And the Nigerian crowd will not send anybody. The audience for Nigeria will not send anybody. Once you are blown, like, hey, this guy wicked.
Then the next minute.
The next minute, you have to drop one song. I bet pass. What you? Hey, this country, like on to the next. On to the next, understand? So relevance, Orishefemi, I don't prove that thing. You don't come out for some time before. After a while, we no come see and we no hear anything. Next, you just come back again.
Just come back with one track.
Go on that level. Go on. Now everybody want to feature him.
Everywhere.
Everybody do song with The Bunch and different things. Orishefemi, correct. We'll get on top of this show very soon, and then we are talking, and then we'll see every. Okay, but as it be like this now, ladies and gentlemen, we get two very correct guys in the building. You know, this guy is one fair, one light. Okay, no, one dark, one fair. Not be fair and light. One be like my complexion. The other one, not to be like his
he's far from me.
He's still far from you.
Yeah.
Very far.
Very far.
Very far. Because it'll be like sunshine near me.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the building, we get Zeno and Victor with us in the building. Zeno, Victor. Now Victor didn't near me, and now Zeno now did that side. Yeah. How far? Yeah. You be like one guy when they sing that year. What's that name, man? Wadada, you sing for everyone. You know Wadada. Ah, you know, no, see this one. Look at you. Look at now only the whiskey. Only the whiskey, now you know.
You name now Wadada.
You name now Wadada, I know the guy name now. But anybody tell you say you resemble what's his name? This other artist.
Which one?
That Wadada, I just joke. Oh, it's not fit, come off my head. He go come out, no be flavor, okay. I want to resemble flavor. Now to say you carry the hair, now you for the same maybe now you the resemble flavor. What's wrong to
Bracket?
No be bracket. One resemble bracket guy too.
One guy from bracket. You resemble Blackie too.
You want get small
Can I have
resemblance
that? Rose, that Blackie guy. You resemble?
Not true. On the screen since you resemble
Blackie, sir.
Understand. But anyway, which way, not be about resemblance or anything. Zeno, Victor, now welcome on top of the show. Correct. So how far? Music and everything for the two of you. Zeno, most first start with the name Zeno. Say Zeno, na name where your mama and papa when they were born you come outside. This one as Zeno.
No, actually, for my area.
Area things.
Yeah,
area.
I
like to get area guys for this show. Because area guys.
So from area now, my name is Benjamin.
Okay.
So my guys they call me Benzino.
Benzino.
Yeah.
Okay.
Swag up.
You know.
Swag up.
And you're gonna feel like saying, man, Benzino, you know, what he do? Yields.
Yeah,
okay.
So I've been take the Ben come out.
Okay. Commenting the Zeno.
Yeah.
Okay. So XINO.
Yeah.
Zeno. It's a very nice name for a stage performance and everything. When you enter stage, you go perform. You dey shout any shout. as in you get to know you for as your own phrase or your own shout. You understand? We will get one of our
Warrior!
no, one of our best experience on this show.
And they tell you.
That guy you come here now, you own be that. If you just enter, if you see him here, be like foul this thing.
Make a shout them.
You shout your own.
Yeah. Like that.
You
Or
know,
sometimes. Shout out one guys.
Shout one guy.
Don't again.
Shout out one guys.
Shout one guys. Yeah. Should you get house upbringing?
Yeah, I've been grown for J-Town.
Oh, J-Town. When I don't come again, we move your match break for that place. Victor, what's up to know? All these yellow boys like this, they confuse girls anyhow. You look say, man, this guy, you should over Chinese complexion like this. Alpha, you just maintain your own real name.
Yeah, I just maintain. No, before I've been the BA Young Flex.
Young Flex.
But as I look the music market, plenty flex, this flex.
True,
that
flex. We get one flex dancer.
So I just look, see, which one? Actually, I know be only me come up with the name. Now me and my guy Olamide. So I just look, say, since nobody the bear Victor, I just use my real thing. So
just use your own
so
real
just
name.
Come up with Victor.
But you maintain with the same spelling, I've been a VIK.
No, I changed.
Okay, so how did you spell it?
VIKTOH.
I know say you can never remain the same. One will change. Either the real name or the spelling of the real name. You don't change somewhere.
That's swag to the team now.
Swag, just swag, you don't enter the whole level.
Yeah.
Okay, now, we're going to do our music now because I know say before now, say, una, like myself and some people go always ask sometimes, say, Chop na don't finish school, abi you are still in the process of school and doing music at the same time because we would always encourage education.
Yeah,
you understand? So, say na finish school things, abi which level?
Actually, I just finished with my ND.
Okay, and then Zeno.
I do final year.
Final year things, hey. Because with the type of young people they outside there, not be just go kakiri o, you must get a certificate. Go outside there, see how you go take do am, say you go get your certificate. Whether not you like it, and just want to preach that one for everybody for her side. Certificate and be certified. When the final year, and then we are here. So if music still there, you can always fall back on business later when you don't do your certificate things. Now, okay, so Victor, same 12 under the same record label.
Yeah, sure.
Same record label, which is
YBNL.
YBNL. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Ladies and gentlemen, YBNL things, you know, you understand? You know, more than also, because very true, you still get even the Olamide every day, you can't do job things for us, and you know. Say, make I even ask that question, say, because now, Raz, now the new class, if you never
upgraded,
or they don't upgrade Raz now, the likes of Olamide and Co,
the OS,
reminisce them, they make the whole crazy thing, the sweet now. So if you just look, say, wow, I like the guy, it's crazy. Yeah, hello, how are you? No, it's even kind of. So when they do Raz.
Sometimes they call from, they get events you go, or some kind
Guys
of things you
don't
go, where
like-
you guys bring them out.
Okay.
But
Well, like
sometimes,
me now, my own case is different. One say me I be Bariga boy,
Uh-huh.
but the look what I get on my face, my people will always feel say so I just add the two together.
So they add the two together.
Yeah, they
So
add
if you enter stage now, just do one. For example, now just call you now. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we're going to introduce you first. You can't do your own. You can't do Zeno own. Zeno do your own thing. You understand? Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage right about now, this guy is hot, is fresh. Every Victor. Yeah.
Your boy, VIK3TOH. For the intro, I go first do the fresh boy thing, but when I started the
Hey.
do the thing,
They're going to know. They're going to say, this guy our area guy. Bariga things. Okay, so now I'll do Zeno now. Zeno, you go wear your shade, you understand?
Yeah,
You wear
no.
your shade. And another day, because another show.
Another show.
Because say, ladies and gentlemen, DJ isn't big on the wings of steel. We are one of the wickedest artists on the way. This guy is bad. He's something else. Ladies and gentlemen, Zeno! Yeah.
make some,
Oh, yeah. Make some. Now the swag with that one. Make some. And the crowd, they all love the team. They don't know say now. They say, make some. They'll say, make some. Make some. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, we'll talk about now music and all those things because we say we'll just play more, then we'll go a bit more serious with the whole music P. How many, any album yet on both on our side?
No album yet.
Now they work towards the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay, but now singles on your own side, Victor. How many singles they on board now?
Officially, I get 2 singles out now.
2 singles out now.
Yeah.
Okay, title.
The first one, Say Them Say, then the second one, All My Ladies, featuring Fino.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't say their video self day,
Yeah,
and we'll see one of those videos right after we finish with this particular interview.
Yeah.
Okay, so Zino, Uncle.
Yeah, I don't drop 2 tracks.
Okay.
Talk to You Later and
Okay.
Nakam. Talk to You Later and Afro Jam because I be Afrocentric artist.
Okay,
So
okay.
Nakam are just the dancer for people to dance.
Okay. Hi B, say you not deal with the YBNL family. You know, we get the likes of the biggest ones, them like Labida, the rest of them. Hi B, say you not deal part of that family.
Well, personally, I feel very honored and it did like a break for me because today the streets, they hustle, they
Yes.
find way, understand. But
Yes.
when the thing comes up, everything just come gel for me, you understand? So I just be very happy and very grateful. And I intend to put every,
Correct. Inside the whole
Inside
thing to
the
make sure
whole-
say
put-
the soup cook well.
well.
Correct. And so we have more of Zino everywhere.
Yeah, sure.
Victor, your own side, Uncle.
Man, a great opportunity for me because then things don't really they work out for me.
Okay.
So, but when I just feel say then when I never really join YBN, I just feel say music you go just do them, you just put them out, people just hear them. But when I join YBNL, and I just get to know about music personally.
Okay.
Because then I'm not gonna lie, I be a very lazy person. Because when it comes to recording, I feel just do one song for like 2 days, 3 weeks. But
Just
this
lock up.
one,
You must they work now.
Olamide go sit down with you, say
Bam.
this song.
You must do
It
it.
go finish am now.
So, but how na take waka enter YBN? Say you na just go drop song or somehow, or you just dey pray one night, Father Lord, bring somebody. Olamide just call you, my son, come here and here.
No.
But, okay, or the more serious thing happen.
Actually, for me, I be friends with Olamide for like 9 years now.
Okay, so you have taken the whole thing. You
no,
say you don't tell.
I don't think.
I don't tell. No, somebody call you upcoming. You are never upcoming. Your upcoming don't back.
Amen.
You now you have come, but you will still blow the blow.
Yes.
Yes. So Zino call.
Prayer join us to talk first.
Eh.
Because without prayer, nothing goes up.
Uh-huh.
I put my songs out online
Okay.
one time. So
Okay.
Ola come see I'm online.
Okay.
That's my boss.
Yeah.
Come see I'm online. So he buzzed me. First, him been tweet say, I don't know this guy, but the jam they hot. Me wanna go download the jam.
Okay.
So me, that one can't be like on or first for me. I can't retweet. They use that one. They join the promo, the fire.
Okay.
So before you know, you can add me for Insta. He sent me a DM on Instagram. You understand?
Okay.
So from there we chatted up. WhatsApp next. Before you know, come down to Lagos. Let's see. So as I fall in love,
J-Town.
Yeah.
Thank you.
yeah. But I've been in school at that time actually.
Okay.
So we been no get any program going on for school. So
Okay. So from there, the whole thing shall enter the whole level. Before you know
Yes,
it, you are finished for the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
All right. As it be like this now, we'll just take Victor video. We'll come back. We'll all play one small game with 2 of them. Then we'll call everything for the everything. Okay. So no go anywhere. We'll still get Zino and Victor in the building, and they come back.